Okay, that's Norman Bates, the caretaker. Let's maybe not tell him what I said, okay? He seems a little distracted, right? Weird. Anyways, that's the motel from Psycho 2. Up on the hill over there, that is the original house from Hitchcock's. What is that? Okay, maybe he's just carrying her to the car, you know, like good customers. That's the trunk. He's putting the body in the trunk. Okay. Be cool, everybody. You're gonna act like we didn't see anything. Hey, Norman, you weren't supposed to see us. We're gonna get out of here, if that's okay. It is? Alright. Goodbye! Oh, he's just staring at you, girl. I think he's got a little crush. But this house over on your left is the original house from Hitchcock's Psycho. Up on the second floor, rumor has it that you might be able to see Mother Bates waiting for Norman to come and visit her. Oh, it's so spooky. But you do gotta be a little mad to have this next area as your backyard. Welcome to the plane crash.